in the last class? Yes, we discussed about family. Let us recall that. No, we discussed in the last class what is a family. What is a family? Next, relations. Relations. Relations categorized into two: maternal and paternal. Maternal means mother side family members are maternal family members. Paternal means father side family members are paternal family members. It's third one, types of families. Types of families. See, look here, first type. What's the first one? Nuclear family. Nuclear family. Nuclear family means a family with father, mother and their children. It's called a nuclear family. Nuclear family is also called small family. Next, second one is joint family. Joint family means a family with grandparents and parents, uncles, aunts, cousins. It's called a joint family. Joint family is also called big family. Next, third one is mother dependent family. Mother dependent family. What is mother dependent family? A family with father, mother and their children. But here in this family, only mother takes care of the family because of father illness or any problems. That is a mother dependent family. Next one, single parent family. A family with a single parent, mother or father and their children is called a single parent family. Next, grandparents family. Grandparents family. A family with grandparents and grandsons, and no parents here in the grandparents family. Only grandparents and their grandsons. No parents here. So that is a grandparents family. Importance of the family. Family is our first school, whereas we can learn many things from our families. Why families are important? We get love and affection from our families. We depend on our families for our needs, and we learn moral values from our families. Example: to be kind to animals and to obey elders and to help people and who are in needy, and like this we are learning from our families. Family tree. What is family tree? The details of family members and ancestors written in tabular form is called a family tree.
This is Deepika's family tree. Here is Deepika's grandparents. Here is Deepika's paternal grandparents. Paternal means the people who are related to your father or paternal family members. Paternal grandparents means father's father, father's parents. Father's parents are paternal grandparents. Father's parents are called paternal grandparents. Grandfather. Deepika's grandfather name is Bhaskar Rao and Deepika's grandmother name is Sarojamma. They have 3 children. They have 3 children. One is Rajesh, next is Swati and Kishore. 3 children. 2 sons and 1 daughter. Rajesh is son of Bhaskar Rao and Sarojamma. Swati is daughter of Bhaskar Rao and Sarojamma. Kishore is son of Bhaskar Rao and Sarojamma. They have 2 sons and 1 daughter. Next, Rajesh married Roja. What is the relation between Roja and Rajesh? Roja is wife of Rajesh. Rajesh is husband of Roja. What is the relation between Roja and Bhaskarrao Sarojamma? Roja is daughter-in-law. Roja is daughter-in-law. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Daughter-in-law. I-N-N-L-A-W. Daughter-in-law. Roja is daughter-in-law of Bhaskarrao and Sarojamma. Now, Bhaskarrao is father-in-law. Bhaskarrao is father-in-law to Roja. Sarojamma is mother-in-law. Sarojamma is mother-in-law to Roja. Sarojamma is mother-in-law of Roja. Bhaskarrao is father-in-law of Roja. Next is Swati. Swati is daughter of Bhaskarrao and Sarojamma. Swati married Srinivas. What is the relation between Swati and Srinivas? Yes, Srinivas is husband of Swati. Swati is wife of Srinivas. What is the relation between Srinivas and Bhaskarrao Sarojamma? Yes, Srinivas is son-in-law. Srinivas is son-in-law. S-Y-N-N-L-A-W. Son-in-law. Srinivas is son-in-law of Bhaskarrao and Sarojamma. Bhaskarrao is father-in-law to Srinivas. Sarojamma is mother-in-law to Srinivas. Mother-in-law means Attamma. Father-in-law means Mamaya. Next, here Kishore. Kishore married Bharati. What is the relation between Bharati and Kishore? Bharati is wife. Bharati is wife of Kishore. Kishore is husband of Bharati. What is the relation between Bharati and Bhaskarrao Sarojamma? What is the relation between Bharati and Bhaskarrao Sarojamma? Bharati is daughter-in-law. Bharati also daughter-in-law. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Daughter-in-law. Now, Bharati is daughter-in-law of Bhaskarrao and Sarojamma. Now, two daughter-in-laws. Bhaskarrao and Sarojamma have two daughter-in-laws. One son-in-law. Daughter-in-laws means Kodalu. Daughter-in-law means Kodalu. Daughter-in-laws means Kodalu. Next, Rajesh and Roja. They have two daughters. Daughters means Kutulu. Two daughters. One is Yajna, another Pragnya. They have two daughters. What is the relation between Yajna and Pragnya? Yajna, Pragnya and Swati Srinivas. Now, Yajna Pragnya are nieces. Yajna is niece. N-I-E-C-E. Niece. Yajna is niece of Swati and Srinivas. Pragnya also niece of Swati and Srinivas. Now, Swati is aunt. Swati is aunt of Yajna and Pragnya. Srinivas is uncle. Uncle of Yajna and Pragnya. These two children are nieces. Niece means Mena Kodalu. Next, what is the relation between Yajna, Pragnya and Bhaskarrao Sarojamma? Yes, Yajna, Pragnya are granddaughters. Yajna, Pragnya are granddaughters of Bhaskarrao and Sarojamma. Yajna, Pragnya are granddaughters of Bhaskarrao and Sarojamma. Next, Swati. Swati and Srinivas have one son. That boy name is Nitish. Nitish is son of Swati and Srinivas. Swati and Srinivas. What is the relation between Nitish and Bhaskar Rao and Sarojamma? Yes, Nitish is grandson. Nitish is grandson. Grandson of Bhaskar Rao and Sarojamma. Grandson means Manavadu. Grandson means Manavadu. Next, what is the relation between Nitish and Rajesh and Roja? What is the relation between Nitish and Rajesh Roja? Nitish is nephew. Nitish is nephew. Nephew. Nephew of Rajesh and Roja. Nephew means Menalludu. Nephew means Menalludu. Now, Rajesh is uncle of Nitish. Roja is aunt of Nitish. Next, Nitish is nephew of Rajesh and Roja. Next, Kishore and Bharati. Kishore and Bharati have 2 children. One is Bharat, another Deepika. Now, Bharat is son of Kishore and Bharati. Deepika is daughter of Kishore and Bharati. What is the relation between Deepika and Bharat? Yes, here Bharat is siblings. There are siblings. Bharat and Deepika. The Bharat and Deepika are siblings. Siblings means own brothers or own sisters or siblings. What is the relation between Bharat, Deepika and Yagna, Pragna, Nitish? Yagna, Pragna, Nitish are cousins of Deepika. Yagna, Pragna, Nitish are cousins of Deepika and Bharat. Bharat is sibling. Okay, Bharat is sibling of Deepika. Yagna, Pragna, Nitish are cousins of Deepika. Now, Bharat and Deepika are cousins of Nitish and Yagna, Pragna. What is the relation? What is the relation between Bharat, Deepika and Swati, Srinivas? Swati is aunt. Swati is aunt of Bharat and Deepika. Srinivas is uncle of Bharat and Deepika. Now, Bharat is nephew of Swati and Srinivas. Deepika is niece of Swati and Srinivas. Niece means Mena Kodalu. Nephew is Bharat. Nephew means Menalludu. Next, what is the relation between Bharat, Deepika and Bhaskar Rao, Sarojamma? Now, Bharat and Deepika are grandchildren of Bhaskar Rao and Sarojamma. Here, Bharat is grandson of Bhaskar Rao and Sarojamma. Deepika is granddaughter of Bhaskar Rao and Sarojamma. Yes, Bhaskar Rao and Sarojamma have 3 granddaughters. 3 granddaughters. Yagna, Pragna, Deepika are granddaughters of Bhaskar Rao and Sarojamma. Bhaskar Rao and Sarojamma have 2 grandsons. One is Nitish and Bharat are grandsons of Bhaskar Rao and Sarojamma. Grandson means Manavallu. Granddaughters means Manuvarallu. Understand? Now, Bhaskar Rao and Sarojamma have 5 grandchildren. 3 granddaughters and 2 grandsons. 2 grandsons, 3 granddaughters. Understand? Now here in this family tree, grandparents and their siblings are first generation, and your fathers, their siblings are second generation. These are second generation people. These are first generation people. Here next, You, your siblings, your cousins are third generation. Here, these people are third generation.